Well, on the occasion of ace investor and self-made billionaire Warren Buffett's 92nd birthday, we bring you a comprehensive picture of his net worth and where it stands. Prashant has gone over to the big ball to tell us more about that. Prashant?
Well, thanks very much for that. So, yes, I mean, Warren Buffett, the best-known investor of all time, probably, has turned 92. So, from all of us here at CNBC-TV18, wishing Mr. Buffett a very happy birthday. You know, it's very difficult to do justice in a short piece like this in terms of his what he's taught everyone. I think the biggest takeaway from Mr. Buffett is how much he's taught the world in terms of what investing is all about. But what we can do here in the limited time we have is just to run through stats, right? As he said, I like to, I like to make money and I like to pile it all up and give it away at some point in the future, which of course he's been doing as well. You know, the latest net worth for Mr. Buffett now stands at $100 billion plus. That is quite something. How does this rank? Globally, he's ranked at number 6. Within his industry, he's ranked number 1. I mean, you know, to find yourself consistently over decades in the top richest people in the world, doing nothing but investing, being an investor, not an industrialist running, a plethora of companies, that by itself is quite remarkable. What does that, all of that wealth, that $100 billion count, what does that weight when you look at the top 20 billionaires, top 100 billionaires, top 200, top 500? I mean, his wealth is about 5% of the top 20, the top 20 billionaires are together worth. Similarly, 2.5%, 1.9% and 1.4%. Just to tell you, the numbers are really large. This is some interesting data which our colleague Yusuf pulled up. This is all, of course, Bloomberg data. His net worth measured in gold, in sort of crude. Of course, I mean, crude is a volatile commodity, volatile subject. And of course, as a percentage of US GDP, as a percentage of India GDP as well. If Buffett were a company himself, he would be ranked number 77th on the S&P 500. So we're talking about some really large numbers here. And of course, no mention of Warren Buffett can be complete without mention of his partner, Charlie Munger, who's, by the way, 98. And of course, Mr. Buffett turned 92 today. Just completely incredible what both of these have done. But as I said, this is not a summary of what they are really all about, which of course is what they've taught the world of investing over decades and decades and decades. And all of us have been wiser as, because of what they've done. So just some numbers to commemorate the 92nd birthday of Mr. Buffett. Back to you.
Absolutely, Prashant. To really take your hat off to both these, and of course Buffett himself.